In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off private browsing in Firefox on Windows 11, step by step. If Firefox keeps opening in private browsing mode and you want your browser to remember your history again, this guide will help you fix it fast. This is a simple setting change, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute or two. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your Windows 11 PC. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like the three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access the browser's settings and privacy options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Firefox settings page, where you can change how the browser behaves. Once you're in Settings, look for the Privacy and Security section and click on it. This is where Firefox keeps options related to browsing history, tracking protection, cookies, and private mode. Now scroll down until you find the History section. This part controls how Firefox handles your browsing history and session data. Under History, click Customize History. Depending on your version of Firefox, you may first see a drop-down or a History Preference section. When that opens, click Choose what you want Firefox to remember. This option gives you more control over whether Firefox saves history, downloads, form entries, and other browsing data. Now look for the checkbox that says Always use private browsing mode. Untick that box to turn off private browsing. This is the key step, because when this option is enabled, Firefox will keep launching in private mode instead of normal browsing mode. After you untick it, Firefox may ask you to restart the browser for the change to fully apply. If it does, close Firefox and reopen it. Once Firefox starts again, it should open in normal mode instead of private browsing mode. That means your browsing history, cookies, and site data can now be saved again based on your other settings. If you still want extra privacy sometimes, you can always open a private window manually from the menu whenever you need it. But for everyday browsing, turning off this setting brings Firefox back to standard mode on Windows 11. And that's it. You've successfully turned off private browsing in Firefox. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.